Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into something you see almost every day but rarely question. Broccoli, a simple green vegetable hiding a massive industrial story behind it. Did you know American farmers harvest nearly 2.7 billion pounds of broccoli every year? Enough to cover an entire city in green. But here's the twist: behind that freshness lies a system driven by speed, precision, and relentless pressure. So how does this tiny vegetable travel from endless fields to your plate? Let's find out. Welcome to Salinas Valley, California, known as the salad bowl of the world, producing over 80% of the nation's broccoli and generating billions through exports, where everything begins but nothing is as calm as it looks. Because as the morning sun hits the fields, farmers are already preparing machines with perfect timing, since even a small delay can destroy freshness. And when it's time to harvest massive areas quickly, powerful machines take control, rolling across fields with near perfect precision, harvesting up to 10,000 pounds per hour, their robotic arms moving like mechanical fingers, grabbing each broccoli head before a sharp blade slices it instantly, fast, clean, almost ruthless. Then lifting onto conveyor belts where workers inspect every piece, removing leaves and rejecting anything imperfect so only the best survives. But not all farms rely fully on machines, as some still depend on human skill, where farmers move row by row like craftsmen, selecting perfect heads based on size, color, and firmness before making a precise cut, while a mobile conveyor system beside them eliminates heavy lifting, carrying broccoli directly to collection bins, slower at 5,000 to 7,000 pounds per hour, but far gentler, preserving quality. Yet the future is already unfolded with robotic harvesters that can identify, cut, and collect on their own without fatigue, raising a serious question. What happens when machines replace human hands entirely once harvested? The journey is far from over, because now begins strict processing, where broccoli is inspected by both humans and advanced scanners checking every detail, with perfect ones moving forward, while imperfect ones are redirected into processed foods, ensuring nothing is wasted, followed by washing systems spraying cool water to remove dirt while preserving that vibrant green color, then packaging where machines carefully place them into crates or supermarket bags without damage, and finally cold storage, where temperatures drop rapidly to lock in freshness before refrigerated trucks transport them within 24 to 48 hours across cities and countries until it reaches your plate, fresh and crisp. But behind it all is a race against time and perfection, and right beside broccoli, another vegetable follows a similar, yet even more delicate journey. Cauliflower, which takes longer to grow and requires careful covering to maintain its white color, because one mistake can ruin its value, making harvesting even more precise as farmers inspect each head for perfect shape and firmness before cutting and placing it onto conveyor systems that keep it clean and undamaged, while large farms rely on automated machines equipped with clamps and sharp blades that cut and transport within seconds, ensuring maximum efficiency, after which cauliflower moves to processing plants for high-pressure washing and inspection, cutting into desired sizes, and vacuum-sealed packaging before entering cold storage to preserve freshness. And when you finally see it in stores, it looks simple, almost ordinary. But once you understand the process behind it, you realize every bite carries a hidden story. One built on technology, precision, and an invisible system working nonstop behind the scenes. The story doesn't end with harvesting and processing. In fact, that's only half the truth, because behind every fresh cauliflower and broccoli you see lies an even deeper system that begins from something almost invisible: tiny seeds. The journey starts in carefully prepared nurseries where each seed is planted into nutrient-rich soil under controlled moisture conditions. And within just 15 to 18 days, these fragile seedlings grow their first leaves, quietly preparing for a much harsher reality ahead. But before they can face the open fields, the land itself must be transformed. Soil is loosened, cleaned, and enriched with organic fertilizers, forming perfectly measured planting beds designed for maximum efficiency, where spacing is calculated with precision. Every inch matters because it directly impacts yield. And once everything is ready, modern transplanted machines move in, planting thousands of seedlings per hour with almost surgical accuracy, creating a field that looks calm on the surface, but is actually engineered for high-output production. From this point, water becomes a lifeline as advanced irrigation systems deliver controlled moisture, especially during the first 45 days when growth is most critical, while farmers monitor every stage, removing weeds, adjusting soil conditions, and applying fertilizers at exact intervals, ensuring that nothing is left to chance. And with this level of care, the plants begin to thrive, eventually producing high-quality florets that meet the demands of millions of consumers. But just when you think the system couldn't get any more intense, another crop enters the scene, lettuce. And this is where things become even more surprising. Every year, American farmers harvest nearly 8 billion pounds of lettuce, a number so massive it's almost impossible to visualize. Yet this everyday vegetable holds a powerful position in modern diets, packed with nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, and fiber, making it a global staple. But its journey is anything but simple, because here in Salinas Valley, also known as the lettuce capital of the world, the entire process is driven by a combination of human effort and advanced technology. Fields stretch endlessly while high-tech harvesting machines move through them, carrying teams of workers, turning the entire farm into a moving production line, where lettuce is cut, cleaned, and sorted almost instantly as soft conveyor belts gently transport each head to workers who inspect and remove imperfections with incredible speed, ensuring only the best quality survives. And for salad production, even more advanced machines are used, capable of separating individual leaves directly in the field, using precision blades and soft air systems to clean and sort them without damage. But despite all this technology, human labor still plays a critical role, with workers spending long hours in tough conditions, carefully cutting, trimming, and packaging lettuce with a level of speed and accuracy that machines are still trying to match. And here lies a hidden truth that most people overlook. The industry depends heavily on this labor force, yet their effort often goes unnoticed, while the final product appears effortlessly fresh in stores. From there, the lettuce is rushed to processing facilities where it undergoes cutting, washing, drying, and packaging using advanced systems designed to maintain freshness and safety before being sealed in controlled environments and shipped across the country, reaching consumers within days. But the story doesn't stop at traditional farming, because modern agriculture is now pushing boundaries with greenhouse systems where lettuce is grown on floating rafts in nutrient-rich water, roots suspended below while leaves absorb light above, creating a perfectly controlled environment that increases efficiency and reduces dependency on external conditions. And with automated irrigation, climate control, and even robotic assistance, the entire process becomes a seamless blend of science and nature, producing crops faster and more efficiently than ever before. And when you finally see that fresh lettuce in your meal, it looks simple, almost ordinary, but behind it lies a complex system of precision, technology, and human effort working together nonstop, proving that what seems natural is actually carefully engineered. And once you understand this hidden process, you'll never look at your food the same way again. And just when you think modern farming has reached its peak, hydroponic lettuce quietly changes the game completely. Because here there is no soil, no traditional field, just a perfectly controlled environment where water, light, and nutrients replace nature itself, creating lettuce with vibrant color, crisp texture, and perfectly clean white roots free from disease. And within just a month, it's ready for harvest as automated conveyor systems smoothly carry the mature plants straight to packing stations where workers quickly bag, label, and prepare them for supermarkets. These premium greens often cost nearly double compared to traditional crops, but their flawless quality tells a different story, proving that this closed-loop system might be the future of agriculture. And just as one cycle ends, the beds are instantly cleaned and reset for the next crop, a continuous production line that never truly stops. But before you get too comfortable with this idea of controlled perfection, another crop enters the spotlight: chickpeas, small, simple beans that hide an equally powerful industrial process. Because every year American farmers harvest over 472 million pounds of chickpeas, a massive number driven by vast fields across Montana, Washington, and Idaho, where farmers combine experience with cutting-edge technology to ensure maximum yield and quality. And when harvest season arrives, these quiet fields transform into high-speed operations where timing becomes critical, because harvesting too early risks moisture damage, while waiting too long reduces value, leaving no room for error, which is why modern combined harvesters dominate the process, cutting plants, separating beans, and collecting them in a single continuous motion, while leftover plant material is returned to soil as natural fertilizer, creating a cycle of efficiency and sustainability. And with advanced sensors ensuring precision and minimal loss, These machines can cover huge areas in a single day, something impossible with manual labor alone. But here's the hidden factor: appearance matters, because the color, size, and shape of chickpeas directly affect their market value, meaning every bean must remain intact and flawless to meet industry standards, and once harvested, the beans move to processing plants where they are cleaned, sorted, dried, and transformed into products like canned chickpeas, flour, or hummus, while lower quality ones are repurposed as animal feed, ensuring nothing is wasted, creating a system where efficiency meets sustainability. Yet the story doesn't end at harvesting, because planting itself is another high-tech process where automated machines carefully place each seed at the perfect depth and spacing, ensuring strong roots and balanced growth, supported by advanced irrigation systems that deliver water with precision, allowing chickpeas to thrive even in dry conditions. And beyond reduction, their nutritional value makes them a global favorite, packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals that support health in countless ways. But just when you think you've seen it all, another green powerhouse takes the stage. Spinach, harvested in the United States at a staggering scale of over 926 million pounds each year, a simple leafy vegetable that carries immense nutritional value. And in this next journey, you'll witness how farmers and machines work together seamlessly to grow, harvest, and process spinach with incredible speed and care, revealing once again that behind every fresh leaf lies a system far more complex than it appears. And once you start seeing these hidden processes, you begin to realize that nothing on your plate is ever as simple as it seems. And just when you think you've seen everything modern agriculture has to offer, spinach takes the story to an entirely new level. Because in America's major farming regions like California and Arizona, this humble leafy green has become the center of a high-tech revolution, where vast fields transform into a precision-driven system the moment those vibrant green leaves reach the perfect thickness and freshness, signaling harvest time after just 35 to 60 days of growth. And from that moment, every second matters, because freshness isn't just a goal, it's a race against time. And this is where advanced machinery steps in, turning what once required massive manual effort into a seamless, high-speed operation. As modern spinach harvesters equipped with ultra-sharp horizontal blades glide across the fields, cutting leaves cleanly at the base with astonishing precision, ensuring nothing is damaged or wasted, while soft conveyor systems gently lift the freshly cut spinach and transport into pre-cleaning zones where air blowers and vibration systems instantly remove dirt and impurities, creating a process that feels almost effortless but is actually engineered to perfection. And at the same time, these machines work in synchronization with transport trucks, transferring spinach directly into containers within seconds, drastically reducing delays and preserving freshness. But here's the deeper reality. This isn't just about speed, it's about control, because every leaf must meet strict standards for size, color, and quality. And thanks to these technologies, the entire journey from harvest to packaging can take just a few hours, locking in nutrients and ensuring maximum freshness for consumers across the world, while also reducing labor costs and easing the burden on farmers, allowing them to focus on monitoring quality and preparing for the next cycle. And even the leftover plant material isn't wasted as it enriches the soil, creating a sustainable loop that keeps the land fertile, proving that efficiency and environmental care can go hand in hand. But the journey doesn't stop in the fields, because once spinach reaches processing plants, it enters another phase of transformation, where automated conveyor systems and high-pressure water jets thoroughly clean each leaf, followed by gentle air, drying to preserve texture, after which only the finest leaves are selected and packed into sealed containers that maintain freshness during transport, while another portion is processed for freezing through blanching and rapid ultra-low temperature freezing systems that lock in flavor and nutrients, ensuring long shelf life without compromising quality. And behind all of this lies a system of strict standards and advanced technology working silently to deliver what looks like a simple leafy green. But the truth goes even deeper, because before any of this begins, farmers carefully select high-quality seed varieties suited to specific climates, using crop rotation and smart irrigation systems to maintain soil health and deliver precise water levels, while balanced fertilization and pest control strategies ensure optimal growth, creating spinach that is not only abundant but also rich in nutrients, packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with iron, calcium, and powerful antioxidants that support overall health. making it one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. And when you finally see spinach on your plate, it may look ordinary, but behind it lies a powerful system driven by technology, precision, and human dedication working together nonstop, proving once again that nothing in modern agriculture is ever as simple as it seems. And now that you've seen the full journey from seed to table, one thing becomes clear. The real story isn't just about food. It's about innovation, survival, and the relentless pursuit of perfection.